Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm down at my allotment again and this is the second instalment of this one. Um, I've still got this amount of tree to take down. I've got down most of it, it's just about three big thick limbs what I've got to take down, and then I'll got it down to where I want it, and then I'll start trimming it down bit by bit. Just got to start clearing up this bit. I'm still back using this little mini chainsaw, which is saving me a lot of time. So that's what I've got to do. You can see what the weather's like. It's cold and wet and foggy. We've had some rain and everything, so I haven't been able to finish it off. We just got a little break in the weather, and if you leave things at an allotment, you just get more and more behind. By now I should have finished digging and thing, but because it's so wet you can't come and be digging anything in the rain, and I'm not going to be doing that. So you can see everything's more or less going to be easier for us next year. I just got one bed to put in, and then I've got to section off that front bit where my pumpkins was last year. Once I've sectioned that off, then I can dig and manure and cover the beds and ready for winter. Then there won't be so much to do. But for the next few weeks, every break we get in the weather, I've got to come down and do something, and hopefully we'll get there. So I'm going to get this bit chopped up and piled up, and then I'll be back up there seeing what I can do to get that lot down without it dropping forward and damaging anything. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I've got that bit cleared up. Now I've got to climb up and see what I can get done up there. It looks like there's a lot to come down, but it's just I'm counting there's about 6 trunks. If I get through those 6 trunks, then the whole lot should come down to where you see the cut levels there. But even there, I still want to go lower than that. I don't think this chainsaw is going to handle it. It might handle some of the trunks, but I don't think it'll handle all of them. So it might be a case that I've got to take it down as far as I can take it, and then once I get to a certain level, then I can maybe come in with a handsaw one day or something else to get it down to the level where I want it at. But the main thing is that it's it's blocking out a lot of light on that bit at the front there where my pumpkins are. That bit where the pumpkin was, no one wanted to work that up, so they said I could have that bit at the front up to the road if I want to. So I took my time and dug it up. It was covered in brambles and everything, but we got through it, and now it's just covered in weeds and everything again, but we'll sort that out as we go along. As you can see, all this is just piling up. It's going to be even bigger than this. Once I get all that down, it's going to be piled up more, and there's no way to get rid of it. Um, so it's just a matter of you get an allotment, and then the allotment older what committees and that wonder why there's always so much rubbish on the allotments, and why when new people come and they get a plot, they wonder why there's so much rubbish on the plot. Is because they won't get a skip or something and get rid of all the rubbish what's lying around. So when you get your plot now, you've got to come and work through your plot, and then you've got to find a place to put your rubbish. Then you leave it there, and then the next thing you know, you're moving it somewhere else, and then you think to yourself, that's taking up space, and you move it again, and it's not getting rid of. So that's what they need to do. They need to get a skip and everything. Then all this could have just gone straight in there and it's out of the way. But they're telling me that they can't get a skip because everyone will bring their rubbish and put in there. But if you knew when it was coming, then people will come, get rid of their rubbish, you phone the people, they take the skip away the same day. No one's got a chance of putting any rubbish in there. So I'm going to get on with this. Going to climb up, and I know some of it's been chopped off already, so I've just got to see which ones to do first, and then because I've got a couple of limbs that I need to get off first to make it easier, and then we'll see from there. So I've got to climb up and then have a look. So I'm going to do that, and then once I've got some of it down, I'll show you where we are. Right, everybody, so as you can see, we've got most of it down. There's only one limb to take down, but I don't want it to fall onto my yacons, and I've got one there, and I had to start another pile up the front here, which is unfortunate, but I have to use it as kind of a fencing for now until it goes down. And I've got another limb there. We've run out of battery power. There's more than I thought was up there because you have to cut up all these stems, so 2 batteries have done all that what you see along the fence. So I've got to leave that there for now. Then I've got this bit to chop up, take that bit down, and then see if I can get these stumps any lower. Come in before I trip over. If I can get these trunks that my cameraman come round, if I can get this stump any lower, then I'll see if I can get it lower. I'm thinking this 4-inch chainsaw won't go through. It'll go through some of the trunks, as you can see, but you have to do it from both sides if you can. But like with these thicker ones, if I could get it lower, then I would. Sorry about that. But we're getting there. Then my next task now is to see what I'm going to do with all this compost stuff, but I might leave that till and just continue clearing up, getting these beds cleared out and dug up, and getting this frame built, and then putting in the corner pegs and everything like that. So that's what I most probably be concentrating on next. So when I come down there next time now, I just got to chop up this one and chop up the one at the front. Then the next thing I've got to work on now is the polytunnel, getting that floor sorted out before it gets too cold, because I've got my banana plants and that in there, so I want to take everything out, get the flooring out, get everything out, get the grass cleared, then put down a triple layer of the weed matting, which I'm going to sort out when I get home. I'm going to order a roll of it. I might as well just get a roll instead of just getting pieces, just get a roll in case I need to put 4 layers there. Then once I get all these beds, I've got to get in the manure. They ain't bringing none round. Went round to see, so that's what we need. I want to fill these up with manure as thick as I can get them. You can see they're quite big beds now. This one's nearly 6 foot wide, this one I think it is, and 14 feet long, and the rest are 8 by 4s. As you can see, I come up. So got 8x4 here. That one's I think that one's 8 by, the first one's an 8x6, and I've got an extra bed here which is an 8x4 here, and then you saw I put another 8x4 up here. I've got to level this off, and this one's a I think this one's a 2x3, this little one. But I just built that out of the spare wood instead of just wasting it. Just there was a little bit of space there, so I thought I'd just make one and put it there. So that's where we are at the moment. I've got all the tidying up now. You can see the grass, how long it is. Always a constant source, and you see since I've built that and put that in there how deep the grass has got. So once I've got that, I've got a, and it's a good thing I didn't anchor it down, because I would have to have trimmed inside of it. So got to take this up and then trim the whole lot. Then what I want to do, if I can get the rest of scaffolding, I'm going to build a border, another border around the sides and everywhere, right along the old plot, so that when I'm strimming, if anything's planted along there, I don't keep hitting it. So I've got to get the planks and then I'm going to I've got all the posts in, so we've got a few things to do before the winter really sets in, and then I can't do nothing. You can see how much the weeds grow. This was the bed what had the cucumbers and the courgettes in it. You can see I've got to dig that up, get the manure on, which I wanted to do, but we ain't getting any. That one, I've got some bags there, but I want to do that up the top, because up the top is hasn't been done properly. So I've used it for this year, but I've got to fertilise it and get everything in there. And then once we've done that, then we're getting somewhere. I've still got a few things. I'm gonna have to take that structure down, and once I've done the bed for it, then I'm gonna get proper arches put in there, build it more sturdy, so it's I can use it for a few years and that, or along I'm here. So we've got an extra bed, two extra beds. I don't know what we're going to use them for, but we've got more space to try some different things for next year. So if you've got any suggestions of anything, what you want to see me plant for next year, I'm going to be planting some more selections of pumpkins and that. And I've got some different variety of corn, or white corn, what I'm going to be planting as well. So I might probably use that. I've noted all the things what don't grow so well down here. So those things I can put in my garden, like my peppers and that, I'm going to be putting in my garden at home. Got that to clear up as well. So we're getting there. So I hope you're all enjoying the videos. Thanks to all the subscribers, all those who have reached out to me and asked questions, and those who've contributed. You might not see it on YouTube, but you've contributed to me and helped me to get a few things. When I wanted a polytunnel, someone helped me with the polytunnel, with the shed. They've helped me with the scaffolding. I've got this scaffolding cheap enough that I can got a supply of it, the fence posts, everything. So thanks to all those subscribers who are helping with the channel. You know who you are. So uh, and thanks to all those who are leaving comments and things in the comment section. We go through them and we answer each one individually. So if you want to ask me anything, keep asking and we'll get there. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you all on the next one where I'll be doing something else. You take care, and I hope the winter season doesn't leave you stranded or leave you waterlogged or anything like that, because I know some allotments get waterlogged over the winter period, so you need to get everything dug over and dug in. So that's my next task, is just to get everything cleared, get the manure when they drop it off, get it in, dig it in and leave another layer on top so that we're ready for next season. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.